Afternoon, everyone. My name is Kevin McCullough with McCullough and Associates, and this is Carlos Aguilar with Aguilar Renovations. Carlos, how you doing today?
Pretty good.
I asked Carlos to come in today and just take a few seconds to allow me to introduce him. He and his crew contracted with me and Flips Realty to basically be the renovation team and handle this project as a complete gut and a complete upgrade from start to finish. And they've done a great job. They do real quality work, and so we've got everything from, you name it. These are all soft close hinges, and we have granite, real wooden cabinets, soft close doors here as well. The new appliances, just put in the new ceiling, the lights, flooring, you name it. Carlos, what else would you like to say that your company does? Oh, they've also replaced air conditioner, complete, added new ducts and new rooms, so we had to actually go with a bigger system. New roofs on this building and the rear garage, re-screened the pool. What else have you done? You've done it all, right?
Yeah, we are full remodeling company. We do full bathrooms, full kitchens, new flooring, drywall, texture, everything. You name it, whatever. And it doesn't matter if it's small or big, we can handle it.
Yeah, he also actually, I was thinking of, changed out all the windows. And we do everything on this project with a permit. So, pretty amazing work from his team. So I wanted to show you a little bit of these beautiful floors. These are called wooden plank floors that Carlos's crew has put in for us. The vinyl plank flooring is 100% waterproof. It's very easy to put this right over an existing floor or over concrete. In this case, part of the floor was demoed so that we had it all level, and then there was other places within the house where there was existing tile, and the vinyl plank was able to be put right over the top. They've also put in 5 1/4 baseboards everywhere. They've repainted this accent wall here. They've put on new 6-panel doors in this house, new handles everywhere, of course, new fixtures, new sinks, new plumbing, added a garbage disposal, added so many different things. Did I miss anything, Carlos?
Pretty much we have done everything from top to bottom, and the results are amazing. I'm very impressed, very happy the way it come out, and I'm very proud to be part of this remodeling project.
Yeah, oh yeah, and smooth ceilings. No more popcorn today, folks. So call Carlos and Aguilar Renovations for your next project. Thank you.